Hi guys, so in the last video, we saw like how do we declare variables in C Sharp. So in this video, we would see how we can take user input in a console application from users. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and delete everything from here. So let's say I want to take the name from the user. So let's start with console.writeLine. Let's ask the user to enter their name. Please. So now, in order for the user to enter in a name, what we have to use is console.readLine. So I'll say console.readLine. So this is going to take input from the user and going to store it in a string variable, right? So in order to store this in memory, what I'll do is I'll create a variable and store whatever the user enters in a variable called as name. So now let's just put it back on the screen. So I'll say console dot line. Your name is whatever the user enters, right? Okay. And as we do it for all our programs, right? So I'll just wait on the console till the user enters. Press the enter key. So I'll say let's run this. I'll press F5. Okay, so please enter your name. So I'll just say Saurabh. It says your name is Saurabh. Okay, so this is how we take input from the user in a console application. Now the thing here is that whatever the input that we take from the console, it's actually comes as a string. So let's say copy these 3 lines, and I'll probably paste it here. Now I have the name of the user, so I'll also say please enter your, let's say, age. Okay, and so we'll rename this variable as age. Now age is an integer, right? So if we try to read an integer from console.readLine, actually the compiler complains that the basically cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. So because we already know that age is an integer here, so we can do a conversion. So in order to convert in C#, what I'll do is so we'll talk about like what in 32. It's actually a 32-bit integer in C#, right? So this is the default that we use. So your age, and we have to update this variable as well as to age. Okay, so let's run this again. So what is your name? So I'll say Saurabh. So what is your age? So let's say 30. So your age is 30, and then I have to press enter again to end this program, right? So this was all about like how do we take input from the user in a console application. Similarly, you can think about taking inputs like for other type of variables as well. It could be a floating point number, it could be a boolean, but we just have to make sure that we are doing this explicit conversion if it is the variable is not of type string. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.